In this video, I am going to teach you how to create a Kraken account so you can start trading cryptocurrency securely. Setting up your account properly is the first step to safe and smooth crypto trading. Let's get started. Go to kraken.com using your preferred web browser. Make sure the website URL is correct to avoid phishing sites. Input your email address in the box provided and then click Sign Up. Use a valid email so you can receive important updates. Now you can choose whether you want a personal or business account. For this video, I'll choose personal account. Personal accounts are great for individual trading. Create a strong password that matches Kraken's rules for security. A good password should include numbers, uppercase letters, and special characters. Click the box to agree to Kraken's terms, then click Create Account. Double-check all details before proceeding. Kraken will send a code to your email. Just input it on the site and click Confirm your email. Make sure to check your spam folder if you don't see it. Now answer all the verification questions and complete your ID verification by uploading a valid government-issued ID. This step is required for security and compliance. And that's how to create a Kraken account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!